Thank you for using VerbumCall, the artificial intelligence that turns any mobile device into your personal over-the-phone interpreter. This guide will help you learn how to utilize VerbumCall as an in-person interpreter using your mobile device. Let's get started. 1. Call the number assigned to you by your VerbumCall admin. 2. Based on your company's choice, you may hear a welcome message confirming a pair of preset languages by default or inviting you to choose the languages for interpretation. 3. Turn on your mobile phone speaker and start speaking after the tone.
Here is the Ibirapuera Park.
Aqui é o Parque do Ibirapuera?
Não, está na parada anterior.
No, it's at the previous stop.
Important. VerbumCall requires you to pause after speaking before hearing the interpretation. To improve your experience, we recommend the following tips. Speak clearly and simply during the call. Take pauses or turns in each interaction. VerbumCall will start interpreting when you finish speaking. Avoid speaking over the interpreter or others on the call. If you have any questions, please visit OneMeta.ai. Thank you for choosing VerbumCall.